Every Evertonian love Goodison to their soul, but if you're looking to push boundaries into the future, you need something like this. Hill Dickinson Stadium is one of the best experiences of match day, not just in the UK, but anywhere in world football.
Brand new stadium with an amazing atmosphere. It's noisy out in that bowl. My name's Adam Bateman. I'm the Culinary Director here at the Hill Dickinson Stadium. I started my career in a football stadium with Delia Smith, somebody who arguably pioneered restaurants in stadia for non-directors. I've since been around the world. I got a Michelin star in Switzerland by doing British craft in Switzerland, and coming back to football stadia, a very full circle, but to take all those restaurant details and the hotel details that I've learned in the last 20 years into a new environment.
For the first time ever in a sports stadium worldwide, a unique facility called 53 Degrees North, where a watch showroom and a premium dining experience have been brought together. We want them to thoroughly enjoy the experience and to learn something about Swiss food, English food, Swiss watchmaking, and the English brands of Christopher Ward and Everton Football Club. The English are renowned for innovation, craftsmanship, and humour. The Swiss are renowned for amazing engineering, precision. So the merging of the two is a very powerful recipe.
I think we've done something that is completely new. I don't think many people have seen anything like this in a stadium. And I think it just enhances the fan experience. There's lots of things to choose from and lots of layers to your experience. We want to have a story with every course that we serve.